All right, folks, we got this this wagon here, this cart, and it's served us really good for a number of years, but it's got tubed tires on it. You can tell by the valve stem here. And half time we got to put air in it before we use it. And that's just always a pain in the butt. And the tires are starting, it's been around for a lot of years. Tires are starting to dry rot. So what we got is we got some new tires over here. They're run flats or no flat tires. Don't have to worry about putting air in them. And we're going to show you how to do this. It's a really quick, easy job. And all we need is a pair of needle nose pliers. We're going to use some axle grease. You don't need axle grease, and you don't need the sock. The sock is just wipe the axle grease off my hands when I'm done. But if you want to do it this way, wheels, axle grease, needle nose pliers, and an old sock work just great. All right, to make this super easy, I've turned the cart upside down so I can get at the wheels. And basically, you've just got a cotter pin on here, and you're going to straighten out that cotter pin. Sometimes you can just do this by hand, but otherwise you just take a pair of needle nose pliers and bend those thingies right there straight. And then once you got those straight, you can just pull the cotter pin out, and the wheel will essentially fall right off. Got a washer there, we'll retrieve that. Wheel comes off. Should be a inner washer or sometimes a bushing on here. And see how this is all rusty? I'm just going to smear this down with a little bit of axle grease so the new tire spins real good and easy. And put the washer and the cotter pin back on, and that's it. Do that all for all 4 tires and you are done. Now I'm going to make sure this tire fits before I get it all greased up with axle grease. Fits good. Cotter pin holes there. So we're ready. Now, you can either throw this old tire away, or if you got kids, you can make a little sandbox or something that looks like a car and bolt these onto it, and it'll look real neat. Clean it up, put it on the bed. You can do all kinds of things, car or truck related, to spruce up a kid's toy box, or all kinds of stuff you could do with these. Put our washer back on there. Cotter pin in there and going. Grab the long end, pull it back. Shorten it back a little bit. There we go. Do that 3 more times. And then the sock. Alright, so this bushing is keeping this wheel from going all the way on here on the back. So we're going to take the bushing off. This one's kind of sprung out, so I'm going to use the pliers to hold it together and get it started in the hole. Now, 3 of these, the bushing stayed on. Why it didn't want to fit with the other bushing, I don't know. And the mystery is not worth the effort to solve, because it really doesn't matter. But we are done. 4 new wheels that won't need air in the future, and only took a couple minutes. It should last me a lifetime of this cart. So hopefully that helps you out and fix your wheels so you don't have to do it again.